Hello, I'm Karen, thismainermom, and today I'm sharing with you a pumpkin ice cream pie recipe. Not only am I sharing with you one recipe, but I'm also sharing a second recipe of the same pie, but as a gluten-free, dairy-free recipe for those in your family with food sensitivities. So I hope you enjoy. Let me know in the comments below if you decide to try this pie. It is a family favorite in this house. Thanks for watching. For the regular version of this pumpkin ice cream pie, we're going to start with 3 cups of vanilla ice cream. Just use your favorite brand and make sure that it's well softened. I've got my ice cream measured. I'm putting that in a mixing bowl. And to that ice cream, I'm going to add 1 cup of pumpkin puree. So I'm using canned pumpkin. I'm adding 1/3 cup packed light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm using a blender and just until it is all well mixed together. Since this is not my gluten-free, dairy-free version, I am using a store-bought deep dish graham cracker crust, and I'm just going to pour it in. I'm covering it and I'm going to put it in the freezer to set. It's well set now, so I'm going to put some whipped cream on the top. Yes, it's a little uneven. It was sitting uneven in my freezer. I'm adding whipped cream, and the funny thing is, with so many people living in the house, that whipped cream is going to run out before I get it covering the pie, but that's okay. We're going to buy more tomorrow and finish it off in the center. This is what happens when you've got a big family. I'm so happy to now provide you with a gluten-free, dairy-free version of the same pie. We have gluten-free, dairy-free graham crackers from the store, and we're just crushing those up in a Ziploc bag, and my husband's lending a hand here and doing that hard work for me. You want 2 cups. I was a little shy of 2 cups, but it still came out fine. To the graham crackers, we're adding 2 tablespoons of raw sugar. I'm just going to give that a quick stir. Adding a 1/2 cup of dairy-free butter. I'm going to stir it until it's all well incorporated. The recipe said to put it in a pan where the bottom drops out, and I don't have a pan like that. So what I'm doing is I'm just tracing my pie plate, and I'm going to cut out a piece of parchment paper to put on the bottom so that I don't have to worry about it sticking, but I honestly don't even think this is necessary. Now I'm just dumping in my graham cracker mixture and I'm going to press it down really well. Now you could push it up along the sides of your pie plate as well, but I opted to just let it be on the bottom. I'm baking it for 8 minutes in a 375-degree oven. Here's the easy part. It's just 3 cups of dairy-free, gluten-free ice cream. We like the So Delicious brand. One cup of pumpkin, just like before. One-third cup of light brown sugar packed down tight. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of, this time I put the cinnamon in first, and then 1 teaspoon of the pumpkin pie spice. Blend it until it's all incorporated. Now you're just going to pour it into that graham cracker crust once the cracker crust is well cooled. Now it's ready for the freezer. Once it's well set, we can add whipped cream. Now that it's set, I'm ready to add my whipped topping, and again, we like the So Delicious brand Cocoa Whip. It's so beautiful, and it's done and ready to be popped back in the freezer until it's time to eat it. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. I hope you'll give it a try. Please consider subscribing to my channel. Like this video if you enjoyed this recipe, and I'll see you next time.